In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Safari not working on iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, when Safari stops loading pages, crashes, or shows a blank canvas, it's usually caused by a corrupted data cache, an aggressive network ad blocker, or an isolated connection glitch. So the first thing you want to do is open up your settings application, scroll down all the way to the bottom to apps, and then go ahead and find Safari, which is obviously going to be under S. In my instance, is the first option. Now, once you go ahead and click on it, go ahead and scroll down, and you're going to see a lot of different things, but you're also going to see clear history and website data. Now, what I want to do is select all history. I can also close all the tabs as well. And this clears out your browsing trail and temporary web cache to reset performance, but your saved bookmarks are going to be completely untouched, so don't worry about that. Next thing you want to do is kill hidden network extensions. So after you go ahead and do that, go ahead and tap on extensions under the general section. So that's going to just be scrolling up like so. Now, if you see any third-party ad blockers over here, all you want to do is toggle them off. Next, you want to go over to the main settings area. So I'm just going to go back all the way to the start, then go over to general. Now, once you're in general, go over to VPN and device management. And if there is anything currently active, make sure it says not connected, and then you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.